Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to build messenger automation with ManyChat in 2026. Whether you want to reply to customers automatically, capture leads, or answer common questions, ManyChat makes it simple, so let's get started. First, open ManyChat in your web browser and sign in to your account. Make sure your Facebook page is already connected to ManyChat before creating your automation. Next, go to the automation section and click Create New Flow ***. Yeah, this is where you'll build your messenger automation. Now, choose a trigger to start the conversation. You can use a keyword, a button click, a new message, or another supported trigger based on your needs. After that, add message blocks with your welcome text, buttons, quick replies, images, or other actions. You can connect multiple steps together to create a smooth conversation for your visitors. Before publishing, test the automation by sending a message to your Facebook page. Make any final adjustments, then activate the flow so it starts responding to your audience automatically. And that's it. You've successfully built a messenger automation with ManyChat. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.